Welcome to the ET322 how-to video for the Op-Amp Lab 2. Okay, let's start it. This is a unity gain buffer, so we should have very similar signals coming in and out. Let's turn on blue, and they're on top of each other, so they're in phase, they're the same. This is used basically for a buffer and for impedance matching. Okay, the way the difference amplifier works is we utilize these two values of voltage. Being this is going to inverting, we're going to do 7.5 minus 5, which is 2.5, multiplied times the gain. So we have 5.1 into 10, so our gain's about 2. So we have 2.5 times 2, we should get around 5 volts. And we do 4.9. Good. Okay, let's set this up for our lab. We need a 5.1 here. Okay, and this one is going to be a 5.1. Good. Let's move it up a little bit so we can actually see it. Okay, so we have on this one, we want 300 millivolts. Okay, small m. The next one's going to be a 2.4. Okay. And our voltage is going to be minus 500 millivolts. Small m. And this last one's going to be a 1K. Okay, and this one's going to be 700 millivolts. Okay, it looks like everything's set. The way a summing amplifier works is each one of these inputs are going to be added up to the total based on the gain. So the first one here is going to be 5.1 divided by 5.1, which is 1 times 300 millivolts. So we should get 300 millivolts out. And 2.4 into 5 is going to be roughly 2. And we're going to multiply 2 times minus 500 millivolts, which should be a volt. And the last one's going to be 1K divided by, into 5.1 is going to be 5. So 5 times 700 is going to be 3.5. So let's go ahead and see if we're close. And we have minus 2.7, and that looks correct.